At HearCare, we believe in following best practices, which means using a variety of tests, current technology, and doing a complete, thorough diagnostic evaluation. The test results from the test we just did in the other room, you can see here, is what we're looking at. There's where your answers were. Here's how you understood the word. So we're testing each layer of your ear, processing, hearing, all of that. Do you have any questions for me?
This is wonderful, thank you.
Great. At HearCare, we find it's important to discuss your results, talk about your hearing needs, your lifestyle, and come up with a solution that works best for you.